Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Puma Palermo sneakers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Women's Club 5v5 sneaker. This option is from an unknown brand, which may give some buyers pause, but it's priced competitively at $49.97, making it a solid mid-range option for budget-conscious sneakerheads. With its low-profile design and casual aesthetic, the Club 5v5 sneaker is versatile enough to go from a casual day out to a light workout session. The build quality is decent for the price point, featuring a synthetic upper and rubber sole that offer good flexibility and grip. However, it lacks the signature design elements that Puma fans may be looking for, such as the T-toe construction or the iconic gum sole. The design leans more toward minimalism, which can be a pro or con depending on your style preference. While it doesn't have the deep-rooted heritage of the Palermo line, it is a good choice for those seeking affordability and simplicity. However, the lack of brand recognition and a more generic design keep it at the bottom of our list. Ideal for casual wear, but it may not satisfy purists or those looking for standout features. Coming in at number 3 is the unisex child Palermo Big Kids sneaker, the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $49.43. While it's designed for big kids, its simplicity and affordability make it a great choice for parents seeking a dependable sneaker for their child. The design is clean and straightforward, with a sporty look that gives it a casual and versatile edge. The materials used are adequate for the price point, with a synthetic upper and rubber outsole that provides sufficient durability for everyday wear. However, it lacks some of the premium detailing found in Puma's higher-end Palermo models, such as suede overlays or the iconic gum sole. Performance-wise, it offers decent comfort for younger users, making it suitable for school, casual outings, or light activities. The biggest advantage here is the price. At $49.43, it's the most affordable option on this list. But the trade-off is a lack of distinct design elements and premium materials. If you're shopping for a younger user who needs a reliable no-frills sneaker, this is a great pick. For more discerning buyers, though, it might not have enough standout features to justify a higher rank. Our runner-up at number 2 is the unisex child Palermo Little Kid sneaker. This shoe is priced at $50.40, making it the premium option in our countdown. Designed for younger kids, this sneaker doesn't compromise on style or quality. It features the iconic T-toe construction, bold color blocking, and plush materials that are hallmarks of the Palermo line. If you're looking for a kid sneaker that embodies Puma's sports heritage, this is it. The design stands out with its vibrant yet balanced color palette, appealing to kids and parents alike. The gum sole adds a layer of traction and durability, making it ideal for kids who are always on the move. The upper features a mix of synthetic and suede materials, giving the shoe a premium look and feel. Despite its smaller size, it captures the essence of the Palermo silhouette perfectly. The only downside here is the slightly higher price point, but considering the quality and design, it's a worthwhile investment for parents who want a stylish and durable sneaker for their child. This is a top pick for younger kids who want to stand out while staying comfortable. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the women's Palermo shoes sneaker. This is the ultimate choice for fans of Puma's iconic Palermo line and sneaker enthusiasts in general. While it's the most expensive option on our list, with a price range of $69.95 to $80, it justifies the cost with its impeccable design, premium materials, and undeniable heritage appeal. This sneaker brings back everything we love about the Palermo silhouette: the T-toe construction, the signature tag at the upper, and the classic gum sole. The leather base is complemented by suede overlays that create a luxurious yet sporty aesthetic. The attention to detail is evident, making it a standout piece for those who appreciate craftsmanship. In terms of performance, the women's Palermo shoe sneaker offers a comfortable fit with excellent durability, making it suitable for casual wear, light sports, or even as a statement piece in your wardrobe. The higher price point may deter some buyers, but if you're in the market for a premium sneaker that combines style, comfort, and history, this is the one to beat. a true classic that deserves its spot at the top of our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.